South African President Cyril Ramaphosa has accused M23 rebels in Rwanda of escalating the conflict in the DRC following the deaths of 13 South African peacekeepers. Sanabira mashoko ataona kuti panapa Ramaphosa aiwa oya aiwa achikanda mashoko aiwa kuna the Rwandan president. Lodi bo subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina panapa obra mnigwa mchinzi. In course, this violence stems from an escalation by the rebels group M23 and the Rwanda Defense Force militia, which have engaged the armed forces of the DRC FARDC and launched attacks against peacekeepers from the Sadc mission in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Ramaphosa stated Wednesday, the territorial integrity of the DRC must be respected in accordance with the United Nations Charter on the respect of sovereignty, territorial integrity, and political independence of other states. The latest fatalities include soldiers from South Africa, Malawi, and Tanzania who were serving under the Sadc and the UN missions. Ramaphosa and the Rwandan President Paul Kagane discussed the situation during a phone call on Tuesday, agreeing on the urgent need for a ceasefire according to Ramaphosa's office. Sadc chairperson and Zimbabwe President Idi Mnangagwa condemned the cowardly attacks on regional forces, vowing the Sadc will continue its military mission in the DRC. An emergency Sadc meeting is expected shortly in Harare. Domashika tona kuti ewa panapa chaos iritika DRC vana Ramaphosa vomiramira ewa vachitora ewa hanande Rwandan President Paul Kagame achimudza kuti ewa vakomana ewa dai mambomira according to United Nations Charter wafana ku respect the sovereignty wane territorial integrity yedzimwe nyika. Tudze mafunguro emo tikude pamusoro pechitiko ichi vakomana zvana zvatrokonodhana heading for a Sadc summit to address this. Pina comment section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, not on the bell icon.